Studio and Advanced Studio. This is a video of how you would download a template from the Google Drive for one of the printables that we're working on, open it in Photoshop, and then start that process. So you're going to go ahead and open up the Google Drive folder and you will do this from the game plan. I'm going to go ahead and log in through here. So here is the link that you get from the game plan. Now what I would do is I'm going to go ahead and do the gift tag. So I'm going to first, it's totally up to you, but go ahead and open up one of those folders and then you'll see that there are several PSD files, or you can also open up a PDF file in order to choose. And I'm going to go ahead and choose a 2 by 3.5 PSD. So I'm going to open it up and then I will go to my download option on the top right hand corner. This will download it, making sure that I know where it goes. So this is 2.5 by 3 business cards on my desktop. I may even do gift card, gift tag, template, making sure I know it's on desktop, click save. And now I've downloaded that. So from Photoshop, what I'm going to do is then go open up Photoshop, and then you'll go File Open in Photoshop, navigate to that desktop, wherever I downloaded and resaved it as gift tag, template PSD, then click Open. And now you can see all these, I love these wonderful guides. You can either get rid of them, hide them, click and drag them up, go up to view, and you can stop showing all the guides if you like. Totally up to you. I like to do that because we had talked about safe zone, trim, bleed, and the border, which is our vocabulary. Now I want to draw your attention to over here on the layers panel. So as we work with this, we're never going to get rid of that red. So red means stop. Do not do anything here. You can unlock it if you would like to hide it. Okay, but your artwork is going to go up here in the green area. And if you would like to then make a new layer up in the green layers area, you can do so. And then you can either hide this if you don't want to see that, or you can even decrease the opacity, of this layer so you can barely see it, but you can still see your trim and your bleed and your borders. And then if you don't want, you can hide this, show it, whatever you'd like to do. And then when you hide it, when you're all finished, you will hide it, and then you will file, save as, and we're going to save it on your computer, then in your cloud documents, but as a Photoshop PDF. The Photoshop PDF is the portable document formatting. This will allow us to then print, And then once I click save, we're going to get some options and high quality print. Now we will never use any of this if we were just doing it digitally. But because we are doing a high quality print, we're going to choose this high quality print and then save PDF, and then that is the PDF that you will drop inside the assignment link in Canvas. Thank you.